Hi everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to make these bow earrings. This is Bonor's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For these samples I used a lace yarn and a hook with the size of 0.85 millimeter. For the tutorial, I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5 mm hook. At first, I'm making a stitch, then I'm making 5 chains. In the first stitch, I'm making 1 slip stitch. I'm making 6 chains, twisting the yarn 4 rounds around the hook, pushing the hook into this hole, taking the extra yarn while crocheting, pulling the thread out, taking the loops on the hook in pairs, then again I'm twisting the yarn 4 times around the hook, pushing the hook through this ring, taking the loops in pairs, and I'm repeating this 5 times to create these 5 rows of strings. I'm making 6 chains, one slip stitch, six chains, four times around the hook, pushing the hook through this hole, pulling the thread out, taking the loops in pairs, four times around the hook, pushing the hook through this hole, pulling the thread out, taking the loops in pairs, after making 5 strings, I'm making 6 chains, one slip stitch, and I'm making 7 single crochet around this string. One chain, two double crochet here, two double crochet here, two double crochet, 2 double crochet. One chain, 7 single crochet around this string, one slip stitch, one slip stitch again, seven single crochet, one chain, 2 double crochet, one chain, 7 single crochet, one slip stitch, one chain. And afterwards, we can sew a tiny bit in the center of this earring and glue a needle closure on the back of the bow. And ta-da! We got ourselves a couple of cute bow earrings. If you like this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day!